What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be unboxing and trying out a 5-in-1 curler from Amazon. This is made by Aniekin. Spoiler alert, I absolutely love this curler. I think it is worth every single penny. I mean, do you see my hair? I love the way that my hair turned out. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. And literally the curls last so long in your hair. I've never had a curler that curls my hair and the curls last. Like usually I curl it and then within 4 hours curl has then fell flat, but not with this curler. Today I ended up using this brush curler on my bangs. This is the perfect brush curler. I'm telling you, the perfect brush curler. I've been trying to achieve this with my bangs with so many different curlers and could never achieve this like flared back look that I wanted. This does it. This is the curler that you need to get your bangs to flare back like this. It works perfectly. I love it. I also ended up using this barrel on the rest of my hair, which I absolutely love this. I love that it doesn't have the clamp. You just wrap your hair around. It takes like no time. Literally, I had my hair done in 25 minutes, which is amazing for me because usually it takes forever and a day to curl my hair because it's so long, it's so thick. But I'm telling you, this curler is amazing. I am so happy that I got it. It's also going to come with a small barrel to do kind of like ringlets, which will be perfect if you're doing any type of updos. That one curls really tight, pretty ringlets. I love it. Next up, we have a barrel that is skinnier at the tip and it widens up as it gets to the base, which is really nice because if you start at the root of your hair and put the root of your hair at the base of the barrel and you go down it, your curl is going to go from bigger to smaller, which is really pretty. And then for the 5th barrel, it is your traditional clamp barrel. Now this one gives you really beautiful curls as well. It gives you more of that tube looking curl, but still beautiful. The cord on this swivels as well, so you do not have to worry about your cord getting tied up. It has a decently long cord to it. I was sitting further back when I was doing my hair today, and I had plenty of cord to work with. I wasn't short on cord, which is really nice as well. Sometimes you don't even think about that with a curling iron until you go to use it and you're like trying to use it and you don't have enough cord to like put the curler where you need it. Did not have a problem with that with this. It also has 2 heat settings on it. I used it on 2 because again, I have thick, long hair. If you have thinner, shorter hair, the first setting, I'm sure would be more than enough heat because this thing heats up really nice, heats up very quickly. Again, just a 10 out of 10 for me. I love this curler and I've been using it non-stop since I received it. This kit also comes with a heat glove, which is really nice to have. It's also going to come with 2 hair clips, which I did use in today's video, and they did hold my hair. Usually these clips do not hold my hair, but these ones did the job. It's also going to come with a really nice comb, and it has the pointy end on it so you can separate your hair, which is really nice to have as well. This curler is just a 10 out of 10 for me. I'm going to have everything listed in the description box. Again, you can get this curler off of Amazon. That's the link I'm going to have listed below is the one from Amazon. I believe you can also get this off the TikTok shop and save you a little bit of money because I know TikTok shop always has like deals and sales and coupons and things. Just a phenomenal curler. I literally am so impressed with this, and I am a beginner when it comes to curling irons. I am no professional at all when it comes to my hair. Usually I do not enjoy doing my hair because it takes so long to do it, and then usually when I curl my hair it just falls flat. But for this to last, this is gonna last for days. I mean, I curled my hair last time and it was like looking so good day 3, and I literally did nothing but get up and brush it out with a wide tooth comb and it still looked fabulous. Like this is going to give you so much volume, so much bounce to your hair. I just absolutely love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and zoom you in so we can get started on the tutorial portion. Again, I did end up using this barrel and then I used this brush for my bangs, and I love the way my hair turned out. I think it turned out so good. Okay, so I went ahead and clipped my hair up and I'm just going to get started. I'm gonna start working my sections in the back first. So I'm gonna start with the curling iron pointed down, and I'm just going to wrap at the base of the barrel and take it down to the tip of the barrel. And I'm just going to hold it there. With this curler, honestly, you really don't have to hold it there that awful long. Like, it does heat up pretty quickly. Honestly, I love how this curls my hair. I think it does such a great job. Holds the curl for so long. It truly is such a nice curling iron. I really like that I can take like a little bit bigger sections and curl my hair as well, because I do have thicker, longer hair. Usually I have to take smaller sections, but with this curling iron, I feel like I can take pretty nice size sections and get it curled really nicely. And I mean, it gives you the prettiest curl. Again, for me, this is a pretty big section just because my hair is thicker. But again, this curling iron really is so good with thicker hair. And I love how easily it just slides right off the barrel. It gives you just the prettiest curl. I have to say that the cord on this is a decent length. It's pretty long. I'm sitting pretty far away from my desk right now, and I still have cord to work with. But I mean, just look at how pretty. It literally takes no time for this curler to heat up, which is another thing that I love about it. I really didn't expect to love this curler as much as I do, but I love this curler. And this one doesn't take any longer than any other curling iron that I've used. Honestly, it hasn't even been but like 8 minutes since I started curling, and I'm almost done with half of my hair, which is really amazing. I mean, yeah, 8 minutes and half of my hair is curled. You cannot beat that. And like I said, I have such long, thick hair. And then same thing for this side. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it around, and then you just let it fall right off the barrel, and it looks beautiful. So twist all of your hair around, and it's not putting off too much heat. So if you don't wear the gloves, it's not going to burn your hand because you have your hand too close to the barrel. And just look at how pretty. I know I have said that a ton in this video, but really this curling iron just does the prettiest curls. Again, just wrapping the hair around. Curling iron doesn't put off too much heat to where if you don't use the heat protectant gloves, it's not like too hot to my fingers or anything. Obviously, it's hot when you touch it, but my hand is pretty close to the barrel and it is not burning it or putting off too much heat to where I cannot stand to have my fingers around it, which I appreciate because I have a harder time working with the heat protectant gloves just because I'm not used to having gloves on to curl my hair. It is a little bit harder to work with the gloves for me personally. Okay, so I went ahead and got the rest of my hair curled and it looks so pretty. This is the top piece that I had pinned up. So I'm gonna take it out and just show you how I do my top piece, because I want my top piece to be kind of back and not split in the center. So we'll just hold it here like this for a few minutes. Kind of can't see what I'm doing. And then I will let it go. And that way it's going to give me like a little bit of volume. And then just same thing, I'm going to separate a piece here. And I'm going to start it at the back of the barrel and just twist it all around. Let it go and then kind of let it lay backwards. Same thing, just going to section another piece. I should be getting down to close to just my bangs. Let's go ahead and twist this one around. And now with these pieces, I'm kind of just gonna let my bangs fall out. And then same thing for this piece, just going to curl it back. I know it looks crazy right now, but it's gonna look so good. Now for my bangs, this is the most exciting part. I'm going to turn this off. I went ahead and put the heat protecting glove on. I'm going to push this button and I'm going to keep my hand on the base and just kind of gently wiggle this out. I'm going to set that to the side and then I'm going to add in this barrel, and this barrel is amazing for my bangs and you're going to see in just like 2 seconds. But while I'm waiting on the brush barrel to heat up, I'm just going to do a little spin here for you so you can kind of see what my hair is looking like. I love this curler, literally love this curler. I don't know if it's because it doesn't have the clamp and it's just a plain barrel, but love this curler. Okay, so now that we're nice and heated up, I'm just going to put my bangs in and start twisting them backwards. Okay, so I'm just going to try to make sure this hair is back. Just put in and start rolling backwards. And just rolling, rolling, rolling. And then when you pull it out, it gives you like the perfect bang. I have been wanting to do this with my bangs for so long and could never figure out how to get my bangs to look like this. This is the answer. This is the answer. So now that I got my bangs done, the rest of my hair is pretty cooled off. So now I'm just going to take my fingers and run through my hair. Keep in mind, I haven't used hairspray or anything like that in my hair yet. Just running your fingers through it breaks the curl up without losing its shape, and it just looks so good. I just love how my hair turns out with this curling iron. I think it looks phenomenal. So I also got this hairspray and love this hairspray. I think it is absolutely fabulous. And I will just spray my bangs back a little bit and call it a day because the rest of my hair is going to hold, which I appreciate. Of course, I got everything listed down in the description box for you in case you're interested in checking anything out. But as always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!